Hi, this is Daniel from Techmatik, and today we are visiting Ginter company, which is one of the biggest concrete element supplier. The company is using our 3 Techmatiks production line, SHP 5000, and today we'll have the chance to see one of them. We are staying next to the full automatic production line, based on SHP 5000. The range of the product is really wide. We can make high products like hollow blocks or curbs, or low products like pavers or slabs. This machine can make single or double layers with multicolors or single colors. SHP 5000. This is the heart of the production line. The machine is made ready for the bulk projects and the big projects realizations. The perfect setup of the vibration table is guaranteeing strong and last long products.